Hello, I'm Peter Towers from ESIC BIZTOOLS. Why will investors be interested in the early stage innovation company legislation? If a company has qualified as an early stage innovation company at the date that an investor makes an investment in that company, the investor will obtain a tax offset calculated at 20% of the investment made in that financial year. For sophisticated investors, the maximum tax offset is $200,000, so that relates to $1 million investment. And for a retail investor, the maximum tax offset is $10,000, which relates to a $50,000 investment during that financial year. There is a limit on the maximum investment that a retail investor can make to a company in a financial year, and that amount is $50,000. However, for a sophisticated investor, there is no limit. There's also a capital gains tax exemption that's available to investors. For a sophisticated investor, the capital gains tax exemption applies on the total investment, not restricted to $1 million. So if the sophisticated investor has made a $2 million investment, that is the amount that the special capital gains tax treatment will relate to. For a retail investor, the maximum investment in a year in that company is $50,000. The capital gains tax treatment is a little bit different in that if a capital gains is earned in the first 12 months of the investment, then normal capital gains tax applies. If the shares in the company are held for more than 12 months and less than the expiration of 9 years, then there is no capital gains tax applicable on that investment. So that's a fairly attractive proposition for investors. If you are looking at investing in a company that claims to be a ESIC, they should be able to produce for you full supporting evidence of the qualification that they have achieved under 2 out of the 3 detailed questions that apply to a company that claims to be an ESIC. And that file should be available for your inspection so that you can satisfy yourself that at the time that you made your investment, the company was qualifying as an early stage innovation company. To find out more about how this new system operates, why don't you talk to your accountant, or if you need additional information, visit our special business website www.esssmallbusiness.com.au, where we have a number of articles on the early stage innovation company from both an investor's point of view and from the companies themselves. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.